nice, little browning nice, little island thing. Teeth white when my smile and thing. Summer ads on my solo, like the man panda polo. Time for get a island thing right now.
So here I have my chicken. It's whole right now. I haven't done anything to it, haven't cleaned it, haven't cut anything off of it. So I'm showing you guys that process today. So the first thing that I like to do is take some kitchen shears and get rid of this neck, because I'm not gonna eat that. Then I go down to the butt area, and then any extra fat that I see as I go along, I also like to get rid of it. I just like to get rid of the little nips because I don't eat that either. So cut that baby off and follow up with the other wing. So all this nastiness and gunk inside, I usually just use my fingers and take them out. Sometimes I like to use gloves, but today I'm giving it to you guys raw, literally. And then I just like to scrape the chicken just to get rid of any little yellowing or little nasty gunk that I might see, or any feathers or hair that was left over. I like to just go through and make sure that all of that is off. So I'm pouring in the vinegar. I'm gonna go ahead and just start washing it all throughout. Get rid of any yellowing that I might see. Get rid of any feathers that I might have missed. So once the chicken is rinsed, I just like to take some napkins and kind of dry it a bit. The first thing I'm using today is garlic salt with parsley. Next thing I'm using is seasoned salt. Next up, we have chili powder. Next, we have garlic powder. Next, I have all-purpose seasoning. Next, I have paprika. Oregano. And then I also have some cayenne pepper. And then lastly, for the seasonings, I have black pepper. Last thing that I like to do is just add some pimento seeds. And there you have it. It's all seasoned. So this is what the chicken looks like after it's been marinating for 24 hours. I'm gonna add it to the oven, which is set to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So the chicken has been in the oven for about 45 minutes, and then now I'm about to baste it with some of the liquid. once you finish basting it, you're gonna put it back in the oven for another 30 minutes. So here we have the final results of the baked chicken.